Why does Roblox keep crashing? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a couple of things as to why our Roblox application keeps crashing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you play the Roblox game on your mobile or maybe your PC, this tutorial is for mobile users and the game actually keeps on crashing itself over and over again during your playtime. So how do you go ahead and then fix that? The very first thing I want you to do is this kind of issue could be happening due to your lack of storage as well, because any application on an Android or iOS needs proper storage or free space in order to run properly. To free up your space, you can just open up settings and then you can just try going to storage. Ensure that you have enough storage, at least up to 5 or 10 gigabytes of free storage on your device. Once you've done that, the second thing what I want you to do is just long press the Roblox app icon here, then tap the I button to come to app info. Now this process is for Android users only. If you're using it on iPhone, go to settings, general, iPhone storage and offload the Roblox app. For Android users, just go to storage and cache and make sure to clear the storage. Don't worry, this will not delete the Roblox app. This is only going to go ahead and then delete the app data, which means if you're logged in, you're going to get most logged out at the very maximum. Now you can come back, tap the force stop option in order to force stop the Roblox app. After that, open up your Play Store or your App Store depending upon what you use. Check if Roblox app has an update and make sure that it is updated to the latest version. What updating does is it's going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous version. Last but not the least, what I want you to do is to simply try to restart your device and see if that helps you solve the problem. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve a problem as to how you can fix if Roblox keeps crashing. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.